Hello, and in today's video we have something special as we have a guest on the channel, Tony Simek. For those of you who are using the RC Pro controller with Dronelink, you will have noticed that it no longer provides voice prompts. This wasn't a showstopper, but many like me missed it, and Tony has taken the time to show us how to get it up and running by installing Google Speech Services. So, without further ado, here's Tony.
Hello and welcome to another edition of Tony's 2-Minute Tuesdays. Okay, just kidding, Barry. No way am I doing that. So if you want the voices to play in Dronelink using your RC Pro Enterprise controller, first install F-Droid as you see here. You can get that from F-Droid.org. After that, install the Aurora store. That lets you install Google Apps on your device. After Aurora Store is installed, you can choose the Google Speech Recognition and Synthesis application and install that. And then under Languages and Input, you'll find just scroll down, you'll find the text-to-speech output, and I chose the engine from Google. It was not automatically selected for me, so go back in and select it, download the voice that you want in the language that you want, and you should be good to go.
This is an example of speech synthesis. This is an example of speech synthesis in English. Three, two, one, starting mission. Mission accomplished.
Many thanks to Tony for doing that, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm always looking to learn and share things on the channel, so if you have your own drone tips and tricks that you'd like to share on the channel, feel free to drop me a line in the email at the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.